I'm Kashad with Front Seat Extreme. We're at the Freedom Factory with Klutch Kickers Round 3 Drift Event. Alright, we're out here at Klutch Kickers with Ryan.
What's up, what's up?
How you feeling out here today?
I'm chilling, man. Car's fighting us a little bit. We just had to change the tie rod, but this has pretty much been like my favorite layout since like the start of the season. So I'm feeling good. I qualified 7th. That's the highest I've ever qualified, so.
Going against next round.
My boy Sean Booth.
No, you got to battle Sean. Yeah. Oh man, that's crazy.
Throwing it down with Sean.
That's good. The homies, they're good homies.
Nah, I'm stoked. It'll be a good battle. We're both gonna just send that shit.
Send it, bro.
Go 135%. I'm happy if he wins. I'm happy if I win.
Yep. How you like as far as your advantage on the track? What do you feel is your biggest advantage out here?
Shit, I don't know. We don't really got a crazy car, so I feel like we got a lot of disadvantages and no advantages.
Okay, a good answer.
Maybe just the bank experience from driving OSW all the time. I'm always on the oval, so probably the best advantage I have is just the experience on bank tracks. But car-wise, probably nothing on it, so probably more of a deficit than most people here. So.
Yeah, right. So how long you been drifting?
I've been drifting for 3 years now. I'm 19 years old, started when I was 16. This exact car, just stock VQ, handbrake, BCs, welded diff, and then it kind of just escalated into this crazy ass car. But it's been about 3 years.
Well, you're out here doing good, bro. I'll be keeping my eye on you, man. I'll be watching my dog, man.
Appreciate you.
We're back with Ryan. My boy got the W. How you feeling out there?
I'm feeling good, man. Car feels dialed. I'm feeling confident. My runs are looking pretty solid, so feeling comfortable and good, bro. I think we might be able to take it pretty far this round.
Let's go. It'll be good, man. It'll be good. I'm gonna see you on that podium, brother.
I hope so. I want it for my happiness and my bank account.
Hey, I hear that. Hey, the bank account outweigh the happiness a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
Low right now.
But yeah, you're out there looking solid, bro. I was watching you out there. My boy Sean, he got the L, man. He a little mad right now.
I love Sean, bro. Sean's my boy.
I love him too,
he
bro.
He was in my door so hard, door to door.
I know.
Unfortunately, I think he had some issues with some tire and some grip. Dropped a couple tires and kind of got rubbed off and sent off, but it was definitely going to be a hard battle. I didn't know if I was going to come out alive on that one.
Hey, man, it's part of it, bro. It's part of the competition.
Unfortunately, it's just part of it. It happens. It happens to the best of us. He's a great driver. I knew going into that there was a strong chance of me walking away with the loss, so just thankful that we were able to keep pushing and made it through.
When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go on.
For Front Seat Extreme, we got Nick and Ryan.
What up?
Yes, sir. They out here battling it out. Why don't you guys explain about yourselves real quick?
So we're Team Taxi Garage. My name is Nick Ward. It's Ryan Kaufman.
Yeah, baby.
So we are 2 out of the 3 trio for Taxi Garage. So it's the crazy carts you guys see us rip around.
Yes, sir.
So most people don't understand that these are actually what we make. That's what Taxi Garage is. And then we pilot these 2 cars. So I went up against Adam LZ today, and
ask me how I did it, I'm telling them grace. Ask me how I'm living, I'm telling them grace. Ask me how I did it, I'm telling them grace. Ask me how I'm living, I'm telling them grace. New me, no time to waste. Look at me and Seattle play. I keep running, no out of shape. Need a hero, go sign a cake. New me, no time to waste. Look at me and Seattle play. I keep running, no out of shape. Need a hero, go sign a cake.
pretty much threw down the best run I possibly could.
It was looking good out there, bud,
and,
for sure.
LZ moved on, and then Ryan here.
I had a really tough battle with Jaden, the amazing Canadian 14-year-old sensation, and I actually battled him last time, and it was really good battle, but I beat myself. I straightened last time at the second round, this time finally came in hot. And what we need? Yeah, we got you. We're always down to help everybody. But yeah, so Jaden came in, and this round I got to battle him again, and it was epic. Definitely got a one more time with him. And unfortunately, he actually took himself out. His engine had a failure, and his tire delaminated on his first lead.
I watched it. That was crazy.
One more time. So
congratulations, my man. Good job.
I definitely ran the best run I've ever run since I got back into drifting from a hiatus of 10 years.
Woo!
So this is my 5th time driving this car.
I thought I was bad taking off like a year.
I had a son. Took 10 years off. I've only driven this car 5 events.
Nice.
So, and every event
so you're still learning at the same time, yo.
Every time.
I understand that.
Yeah, when I blow up, I'ma soar high like Peter Pan. In real life, be living out my dreams. If I'm waking up, it's in a foreign land. Whole wrist covered up in ice. Dealership, never ask the price. I hit the molly ball with my dogs. Yeah, I swipe it once without thinking twice. Cause this what I was made for. Man, I know this what I came for. On a big stage, couple thousand people, they do whatever.
What's up, brother?
What's up, brother?
How you doing?
Oh, we just blowing shit up over here.
I seen that. I heard. So it looks like maybe an oil line walked loose, or they had blow by, and it resulted in a car catching on fire. But it looks minimal, just a little bit of burn on the hood and underneath. It looks like they're assessing the damage now. All right, it almost looks like his surge tank is leaking some oil, and then from a result of that, the car caught on fire. It looks like it melted some of the harness and some of the connectors, but other than that, it looks like it's pretty salvageable. It also looks like the coolant temp sensor too, but it looks like it'll just take a little bit and be back on the road.
Run it back, shawty's in the back, wanna run it back. We ain't turning back, we ain't done with that. She be some cat, I'm a dog on that. We ain't turning cat, we don't run it back. Run it back, run it back, run it back. Run it back, run it back, run it back. Run it back, throw it back. I'ma lay it down like a lumberjack. Cut it back, let it back. We gon' keep it going till somebody cracks, and I'ma keep on going, going up. Records keep on spinning, all in all. We gon' run it back till we touch down.
3, 2, 1. All right, we out here with Savio. Boy, been out here drifting for a minute. How you feeling out there, boss?
Feels good. Definitely feels good. We just won our top 32 battle. Now we're going top 16 against Acevedo. So yeah, I'm excited.
Nice. You get to go against Acevedo. That's awesome.
Yeah, the track layout is fantastic. It's so much fun. It is definitely amazing. The combination on going fast, slowing down, picking back up, and I love it. It just keeps getting better and better and better.
Was ready to invest in the lonely drives and afford escapes on the therapy sessions. A lot of breakdowns, my engine light on. Should've had the oil change. Burning out some emergency lamps to avoid the pain. No one to talk it out with. Practicing the code of silence. Men are proud, I wish the guys would be more open-minded. Them shades covered my swollen eyelids. In my response to how you been, all answers that was so recycled. Hey, how I roll in the group was said it's the strongest shoulder to lean and cry on. They never notice nobody's home, cause I keep a light on.
That's awesome. We heard you fought some gremlins. Well, you want to explain what happened real quick?
We caught on fire yesterday, and we melted a bunch of stuff. We worked on it till late. After we were done, we went to test it like around 9 o'clock, found out the power steering rack was damaged. And there was a lot of wobble in the front. It was too late. I had to give my guys some time to rest. We got here first thing in the morning, but we were not able to finish it before practice. So what you guys just saw on my follow, it was my first tandem practice from all weekend.
That's crazy.
So
you did work, buddy.
It looked good. I felt good. I just got to watch the videos and see where I need to clean up here and there. But I'm excited. I'm ready for top 16 and see where else we can go.
That's
Drift HQ is my team. Drift HQ supports and backs me up. I also have Smoke Daddy, which is a food program that I run to feed the drivers to the track. We feed about 130 to 140 people.
That's awesome.
Every round, lunch and dinner.
Sick.
We're back there cooking and throwing it down so everybody can have a good meal.
That's cool.
So yeah, this is, I'm thankful to my team. Everybody that's been part of the program, sponsors, friends, people that showed up and put their hands on.
Yeah,
I'm excited, man.
They're always at drift events with parts as well in case we break or whatnot. So it's pretty neat.
The parts event right there. I mean, it's a trailer now.
Yeah.
Full of parts. You can get you back in the track as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Yeah, new whip outside is different. Ask me where the carpet, mind your business. New whip outside, I'm vicious. Ask me where the carpet, I'll admit it. You can tell that I'm riding with it. 5 or 6, I can't find those digits. Line them up and say mind your business. Don't you know that my mind is different? You can tell that I'm riding with it. 5 or 6, I can't find those digits. Line them up and say mind your business. Don't you know that I'm riding with it? I'm riding with it. You can't see the size, ain't norm. I ain't reached my final form. I gotta teach inside the
All right, so how you feeling out here this round?
I'm feeling good. It's too hot though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I seen you did, what was it, top 64 battle.
Yeah.
How you feeling about that?
I feel like a bully. I just kind of feel like a bully in that one, but we all here to win, so.
Yes, sir. You got to get
gotta
that
do what you
podium.
gotta do, yeah.
We got to see that podium. What do you feel is their advantage at the track and disadvantage?
My smoke screen is
Oh,
my
yeah.
advantage.
That's
the
good.
heat is my disadvantage.
Yeah.
The sweat gets in your eye and you can't see and stuff, yeah.
See, I never factored that part in.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. All right, so what's your next battle?
Top 32 against Ethan Hodges.
Oh, man.
Good old Jay-Z versus RB.
You know I'm a Jay-Z guy, but I got to root for my dog.
Well, the car's built by Monster Performance, so it's a perfectly running RB machine. 2 seasons in. For all you guys that think RB's ain't reliable, there's your proof.
I'm not gonna lie. This is one of the best sounding RBs. I love it. I can't even hate. He did his work on this one.
I just tried out the FDF rear grip kit, and that works amazing. Shout out to Josiah.
Yes,
Hooking me
sir.
up with that rear grip kit. It works really good.
That's awesome. Car's looking good, brother. With Hoonigan. Let's tell them about how you feeling out here today.
I feel great, man. This weekend, like I've been struggling in this car, no lie, and this weekend it really came together for me.
Low key, I've seen you progress with it. Really, for not driving it at all, you've been progressing.
I mean, right-hand drive, RB, super gripped up, like it's way out of my wheelhouse, but I'm starting to figure it out.
Today you look very comfortable in it. I'm not gonna lie, I've been watching you the whole time, man.
Yeah, it feels good to make progress.
Yes, sir. All right, so what's your biggest disadvantage and advantage at this track?
Well, my biggest disadvantage is literally myself.
Yeah.
It's just myself, my head, my mind. Like, so OSW, you know, our home track.
Yes, sir.
I crashed there a long time ago on the bank.
Yep.
And that's the only time I never did the bank again after that.
And you know what? I was there that day.
Yeah.
I remember like the black S13.5 or 14.
No, it was a 14. But it was like some competition day.
Yeah.
And I crashed the shit out of my car. And after that, I was like, I don't care to do the bank.
Yeah.
You know, so I stayed away from it. And then I signed up for Klutch Kickers thinking it was Emerald Coast. And then they're like, oh no, it's at Freedom Factory. And I'm like, oh no, what have I done?
Yep.
You know, so I had to like overcome the fear of the bank.
That's awesome.
And learn how to do bank driving, learn how to drive a 700 horsepower car with Formula D style grip.
Bro, it sounds
like
sick.
Dude, I love this car.
Yeah.
But my biggest disadvantage is just me.
Yeah.
Just overcoming me.
Well, you did it, bro.
And I feel like I'm doing that. You know, the car can do anything. This car is capable of anything. It's literally just me, my head, my mental state, just staying composed.
Yep.
And just, you know, I want it. I want to have fun, but I want to do well.
Yep.
So, yeah.
I see you out there. You're killing it, brother.
Yeah, I
killing
appreciate
it.
you. I appreciate you.
Biggest advantage?
Biggest advantage is I just show up and drive.
He don't even got a problem, bro.
Yeah, no, Njuku Racing is an amazing partner. I used to work at Njuku Racing a long time
I remember
ago.
that. Yes, sir. It's cool that you have this opportunity.
Yeah, you know, shout out to Kevin Lawrence. He used to drive this car. He decided he didn't want to drive anymore and then opened up the seat.
Perfect.
And being friends with him.
You fit right in there, literally.
Is I said, no problem, you know? But I would say, like, that's my biggest advantage for sure. Is
Also,
I got a full race team. I got a full race car, quick change, dog box, race motor, and knowledgeable
and it's an
engineers.
RB30 in here, or?
No, 25.
25?
Yeah,
It is a 25.
Yeah, fully built 25. And the team behind it, like,
it looks
I break something, they fix it. I'm blessed.
Yeah. We know her for what? It's been like, man, 07, 06.
A long time. It's been a hot minute.
From CFRC and OSW days.
Yeah.
Hert's always been super cool, man.
No,
I love to see you out here, man.
Yeah,
Every time.
To be here, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's good to see you. I literally haven't seen you in a long time. So.
I know.
We never driven together.
I know, bro.
Like, so that's my goal. Like every time I come here, I want to drive with people I haven't driven with.
Yes, I know you're in Orlando more or less now, so
yeah, I mean,
I'm coming back and forth.
I'm diving in. So I'll be here for the rest of Klutch Kickers. I'll be here for USDC as well.
Yes, sir.
And then I just want to come and have fun with those.
Yes, sir. Soon I'll have mine together and we go party.
Yeah. All right, this is Hurt, and you're watching Front Seat Extreme.
Rumor has it, I'm a savage. Drop the classic, thinking back. Drop the classic, to establish that the magic, it's automatic. Got a mask, who was at it? Living legend, lethal weapon. Mastermind, never tried. Tell 'em all.